unlimited to leadership, business, and personality development.
To receive these certificates, I'm very grateful and appreciate the trouble that you've gone to today to make myself and Sue feel very, very welcome. Excuse me just a minute. I'm really proud and I'm very honoured to be now part of the Chin community. I believe that God has brought us together for a reason, that through my hard work over many years in establishing a business, the business can provide a pathway for good quality people to come and earn an income and help my business grow as we get more work. The first thing that I noticed with the Chin community through Jacob and Peter was that when you try and ask somebody to connect with you and work in your business and work hard, you look for some qualities within the people. Honesty is very, very important. Integrity, commitment, reliability, and passion. Passion is a word that means you come to work and you're very proud for the opportunity and you're very proud to represent yourself, your community, and your family in creating wealth and an income for your family. So I think this partnership was meant to be. In 1 year and 3 months we've achieved a lot together, and I hope and I pray and I know that together we can progress our business relationship forward and create a lot more opportunities for employment within the Chin community. So from my heart I sincerely thank you for the opportunity to work with you and become part of your community, and I'm very proud to call you my friends.
Kan simi ki hangai kadungai kalung tingai ti nak khasikau toina kan simachun zaisa ti achun chimmi chu aman min si lungthen thamin si zum of takin si ti kha chimdu nak kha toina kan sikau tu chu rachelpu papa chimnak kan nak tek lai amane aduni kan ma employee cha song si se amani se herbia kan simnak chang silai
di pakan nak bi ka hibantuk chan thale chan dunun patak akan sep ya tu hi kan biami kan kecian si zak bi akan kecian min kan kan ko se di chinsa.
First of all, I would like to thank God for giving us this beautiful day.
Ni jalahin kan mi phun se se kan ma chung khar tuan bia pakhat rolling mi pakhat si ti ka thai cha nin jana hi kan tu andrule kan pisul chulwanga kan welcome ha kan don ha athen ka chon be ko na se ti ka tu na sin ko.
We have been taking part of our business, and we would like to come for making day this week.
Se nan ma nu pa hangin Australia kan phan mi hi pathen sulap angi teri I tam di sulap angi teri mi kalung apiang nan chung akalong.
We work in Australia, we are in doubt. We don't know what our future will be like, but after meeting you, our life has become more meaningful.
Zai titia pathian ni akan pek mi khatchua I kan hu mi mani chokholo mi pathian khatchua na si mi kha thinlunga karu angai ni se.
And I think this is called a blessing because we cannot buy it anywhere, and it is a blessing we receive through God and through
จุลองพันสโลกันมาเฟมิลองสโลอินชินมีเยอะเด็กกันแค่ชั่วคำนั้นสิสุที่ปีสองค่ะรวดชนะในการลง
And not only for our family, we want the week of blessing to Muslim people.
ที่กองเฮเป้ใต้รำชุรัมเลน business company super garden company เฮเรียนนั้นด้วยที่มีท้องอันที่มีเยอะที่นั่นอะไรมีเดียวอันนั้นหล่อมีนั่นจัดอาจารย์นั่นดองกันเลย
So they started paying for you as well.
จนใครมาเห็นกันมาชุมขัดจะเทียมมีกันสลาวจนฟิล์มเทียมนักในมีกันสลาวนะเป็นปัจเจกในกันต่อ
And we are uneducated person. We have no qualification, but God is blessing us.
อีโดตูกัมปีกันในมีปัจเจกทัศวสิจุดว่าจนนั้นมานั่นเอง
And we have new people who love us and we are alive.
สิอาตุจันทร์ว่าฮินันตัวนับ business อีนัน company ปัจเจกทัศวเซโลหุ่นจำจิมเกาเสติมีฮีเรียนตัวตูตั้งบริษัทหาเสียปัสปัสนาสินันใจทัศน์นันดองบลล์ที่มีกันเทียบปีสองค่ะสิมทางกระดู
And successful development of these people in our business, we never stop saying.
จนอาตุจันทร์ว่าเห็นนันฟันนันนาวนันสินาเรียนนันตัวติกาเห็นจะเทียมเมียนเสลาวถ้าจังเรียนตัวเมียนสิติกานันลงอันนินทินหาไหลแล้วจนอันช้ำบ่หนักจะเก่าไหลที่เดียวแต่อะไรเทียมเข้าตัวทินลงเช้าปีอันปั้นนักอาหุ่นจะเข้าตัวนั้นสิแปดดิจงท่าที่การมันนี่อันปาสินนอจงกันดูต่อมา
This is all the employees, they are uneducated. There will be a time a situation where it's very hard to deal with. But I think we are having a lot of patience to understand them. And even if we have patience, we have patience because we are uneducated. We are slow learning.
จนมาดอกหนักเลยชิมกระดูมีจูอาตุจันทร์ว่าไล่รำปีเดียวแต่เทดีชินมิวตาเน้นชินสนนันรันหนักทองกันไล่มีเดียวแต่ชินว่าตั้มปีเรียนในตัว
For you that happen to come to International Day, not only in Australia but back home my country they started to know.
อีอาตุว่าชินเลนนันประกาศติกซองอีโดตุตั้มปีกันเน้นให้เรนรุนินกันมาชัดเลยอันนั้นบิกาดินาสิเซบิสองฮาสิเซจนฮักฮาสิเซก็เลยมีมินดัดสิมาดูเตียงขึ้นป่วยความท่ากันเนี่ยขับยาเดินคนกลางหนักสงขาอันโตเป็นที่ไหลเซมันพันดึงว่าเขาเล่าที่สงขาที่แต่กันดู
And I know you have planned to visit our country, and now we have a lot of good friends in several places where you will be visiting, and you will no longer be strangers because they know you already.
อีฮิบันตุกเอ็นนั่นเรียนตัวหนักสองเฮชานุนเซโลกันนีนุป้าสองนี่กันตัวคอมเมนต์เซนจัดทัดทักนี่กันเดียวนั่นกัมปนีอองมินเซโลนั่นนุ่งมันดำเด่นนุ่งข้าวสาวนะนุ่งคนหนักจ้านั่นฮักการะกันเต็มเปียกโลที่มีค่ะชินมีเอาอันสิเซกันมาชุมขาดำเสนจังหวะลมหนักตับปีกันเนี่ยอีกที่อยากมองแต่ตลอด
And me and my wife, we cannot do anything for you except for praying, so that you will have a long life and you will have a blessing.
Thank you.
เจอกันบ่าวสิลีกันบ่าวสิลีค่ะทางมาจงเวลาคอมพานีจ้าจงสิเซ่นี่เสียเฮอร์บีเทคละกันสิวัตกันดูเขาทางมาจังสิ First of all, I would like to introduce you. He come to Australia as a visitor, and he will go back to the tribes. And it's and they are very descendants, so they all have very connected.
bantuin riêng cho cái ba lối action china action ikona một sản phẩm là dễ hơn đó mà mình cho cái tập cái những cái xong cái ta hình ăn mà thì sẽ khó cả đấy khó tăng làm sao đấy thì sẽ phải xin thu đó thì mình nói xem một cái hàng nào đó tăng cường nên cho thì những xong thì mình cần thu lại cho nó rõ là phải như thế I know that you have this and belong to thì bán cho mình nhiều tất cả mình hai lẽ riêng cho là khi mình sinh ra đấy mà chúng ta hôm nay mình xin được ông đi ra giá sự sẽ chúng ta trong cả gia sự sẽ mình chúng ta hãy mình có thể chụp xong là thành tin cái sự để mình sẽ lo thì đó có sự cái bán cho mình cho là nhớ cái gì hai lấy cái xin cái làm ta không cái làm ta thằng phong đấy mà ấy nhưng mà mắt sự không xin gì cái xin cái làm ta lấy cho cái đó đi học sang này sẽ không có lấy làm ra ta nói này khi bị tâm tụt cái chim mà khác cái lồng khác phạc xí đâu khi lồng nạp cái bị thịt tạm bị khác mà khác bị thịt
First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity to share this day with you.
Masabi ka di ban kita sampai ni sa halawai.
The partnership that we have forged has two sections, two different partnerships with the Chin community.
Chin community hai ipeting na kan nemi hi alam kan hi no na te.
So we've spoken about the employment with SuperGreens and the relationship that we've built with Jacobs to provide jobs and an income for the families.
Kan Marian company kan betai na cha anma Chin mi cha rian kan share chun anma Jacob family anma income cha mo maka alam pakhat kan tu ni se.
Part of mine and Sue's belief is that to be a good person, to live a good life, if you are in a position to have wealth, you should share that with people that are grateful and becoming of that wealth.
Malay Su ni kan ron mi chu minum chu kan ma hi skole va jong si se adir hun athami kan sia chun ma adir hun tha kan sinaka mi sinakan chiuling kan si ti kan si.
So for many years, 10 years plus, we have been supporting people in Papua New Guinea.
Kumpra chungpa atu bantuin papagedi antimiakan miharsa kan nakbuat sangkaya ti.
And through that charity work, we have a lot of friends in Australia who want to support and help us with people living in third world countries, poor countries.
Ma thil kan tu mi kha Australia akin an dungling mi kha an tamtu ma cha khan an ma zong ni khajang kan bek chola ba ni si se e cha tia chun ramdang cha phat country cha amu ren kan chun ti cha khan amu na ma na te.
So through coming to understand your homeland, your issues with education and health and basic living standards, we want to actually help your community because we are able to do it.
Chun nan ma zong thi kan thei bu tien nan rama nan Tonnak cha chon nak thalo ngen dam nak zong thalo chun nan ma nan sining khe khinan harsa ti ka pung cha le kan ma ni nan ma community chin community hi kan bom kho ti kan zum cha bom kan tim mi zong sie te.
So the foundation, the charity No Roads Health, I'm a director of that company, the charity, and Sue is a clinical leader. She is one of the senior leaders that takes the medical teams and sets up the medical facilities in the countries.
Chun an charity min kha No Road Health ti kha si makha ke pe lo lei na si ngen dam nak lei si ama ke an ru kha an pu big kan ti ko lai chun an lu hi medical si lein an lu lai mi zong si le ama an lu ke ma ti khin ko ti a zong khana makal isi zong kha te le ma le ya khana ma lu hi
So we have the experience and the knowledge to be able to bring health teams into remote areas.
Chun vei lo kha nan Tonnak pol te kha I vei lo har ngai ni si ko na te kan ma chu khaban tu kha experience tam pi kan ngai ma cha chu kan thin ko lai te kan zum.
So what we have committed to do with Jacob is to go to your homeland, to your villages in November this year and do an assessment of what it is the problems are, how bad the problems are, and what resources we can safely get into your community.
Chun atu he ke kan ma ni nan ma community lai ram cha khin bom kan du ko cha November tha hin an khuwa kan batum lai te ba kan ti mi chun dan khuwa khin zai ban tu le da bom nan her zai ban tu thil report ta kan ma ni kan khu lai zai ban tu kha ama sabbi ka kan bazo masala te.
So when we go in November, the things that we have to assess are what we call the logistics, to make sure that it's safe to fly in and drive and trek and walk. We have to make sure it's safe.
So ama sabbi ka dan ku nak ka zaitin da parlongin kal khosimo moto mong asithomo king kal hamo tibil te kha ma bil te condition kha so kan bisa kan sabbi ka makha kan tu la ye te.
So everybody can play a role in communicating with their relatives in the country and advising that we're coming, that we are good people, we are friends, but we need to be made safe.
Chun vei lo nan ma zong ni ho po po ni kan ma kan dim chuan kan ti mi zong hi nan kan bom khoe ti zaitin nan khua nan hoi le tha nan hoi le tha nan silai Australia lein kan ma chin mi kan bom tu ding an rak khan lai ti khan nan sim lai chun an khan ti ka an ma ni khin an rak to le ti lai man bom he lai ma lai khin nan ma zong ni nan kan bom kho na si.
And the reason why that is so important is when Sue and I come back and tell our story to the charity, we have to make sure that the people who want to come feel safe, because at the moment there is a feeling that Myanmar is not safe to travel in.
Maka atu kan bakal tikaken kan maka agum ten kalbin kan si kan maka imang kan silaw kan mali tu ha atu bakan atu be jon an mani an hei na jon mar chu maton tikaken a safe to go ki ban tu na ka an hei ba sa kan maka ha sa kan kalai a safe go zin kan ti lo ki ban tu kan ha kan lai ba tikaken kan di lakin bom ni kan lai ya ke.
The people the doctors and nurses who are taking the charity are used to remote areas. So we can sleep on the floor. As long as we have a roof, we can eat the local food. it's all about safety. So the logistics are important. Food, shelter, but safety is most important to get people into your community.
Hi bantuk he khote akin wai tam tu kan kalcha akin leya kan it zong akin tha ten kan ki khil ve khawete muthote kan it khoko asina te in kan mani abi pido wa kan chemi chu safety kan bam tham lai tha ten kan in kholai ti ni tu ha a safety le tu kan ro ni se.
What we've been able to establish through my business and my charity is a circle where now that we are friends with the Chin community, by working within Super Gardens, we can create an income for the people, but also a small portion of our business profit is put into the charity. So by working through Jacobs at Super Gardens, if we get the health services into your country, everybody who works is in a small way contributing to the health back in your community in your country.
Income atu hi income kan nei tika kan ma Super Garden zong si se ma ti sargal ban tu kal le mang ding si kan ma ni hi ka le hin income kan thua chun hi ka le hin pek nak le kan chok ve ding si chun nan ma hi ka Super Garden a to mi vial te Jacobs Garden a to mi vial te zong khaban tuk le hin atu ren kan ton mi zong a hin charity a hin mu nan rat ka mon kho ve ka we ti.
So in conclusion, once again, on behalf of Sue and myself and everybody who works at Super Gardens and everybody who works at the No Roads Health Charity, we are very grateful to have you as part of our life. We're very humbled and we're very thankful.
Chun anom nak leya Super Garden a Super Garden leizong si se chun kanupi su he No Roads Health leizong si se nan ma he pi thai nak kan nei mi hi kan long tu ke te.
And finally, I hope that God blesses everybody in the room and gives them health and prosperity.
Chun anom nak leya bul pa ni nan ni lak cha chuna pe ko se.
We are coming to Chinho, and for our Chin people, you are our hope, our success, and safe life. With you, we are very safe. God bless you and give you long life. Amin. Nami mo tagang taksyan. Na falingan hin kamuna andrude anuki mahoni lamigan te cha tonna chanthana gante nilong kau ande to nabla te sisan ko nabla te ko anama se chot ko nalong lamikun na cha kondu aspergin almak cha ma kondu residu la kau abaran I ande to nabla te ni nesupar na cha alang ta tu hindwan sa cha la anjam nung pasang nangadam na pagcion cuma berkait halong naman lom tu adhan tu antino tu hamba paras terbona tu kanha ami ileron sige itu kaya kanha cuma kesokan pek lo lagi diga saluti thanau cha damna chona hezang arapun sedang kau dia akan kam juga boy pakin kanha sian amen bale
Kacil long le rua anak ni kalau rua harna ngai asi hot mi le hot mi man kalau ina kan do tu miswal boy kong cha miswal do tu patia boy panakan dot na kusan ba nang madong sang chin chin dot kan du kan na ka mun mala di lo nang madutuk na kape boy pa
really good tips here on how to build gardens. This one here, so when you're doing your gardening, be able to identify which ones are good plants and which ones are bad plants. So that's a reference book for you. So if you see anything growing, you're not sure whether it's a weed, you'll be able to get the photo and get the name. And this one's just a general gardening book. So in our climate, it's got, so if you're planting flowers or vegetables, there's a whole lot of tips here, herb, and plants in all the seasons. So that's a really good reference book. Cultivation, everything, lawn, indoor plants, trees. It's a really good reference book. It's got different chapters. But why I like these books is it's got the photos, so it explains it in pictures. So when you're talking to all of your guys and girls, you can actually go through it. And so if they can't read it, once you understand it, you can go through the diagrams. It talks about lawns, shade on lawns, watering requirements. And so if you put some lawn in and have a big tree, the tree roots will suck all the water and the grass will die under the tree. It's really practical stuff there. So there's some reference books for you to share amongst your community in Jacob's Garden. You're very welcome. Very welcome.
Thank you very much.
Man, Stan's boss. Stan's boss. I need to him.
Boy pa nagkandot na kusan ba nang madong sang chin dot kandu kan mun nakabun wala dilo nang madutok na kape boy pa kan mun nakabun wala dilo nang madutok na kape boy pa